Black seed oil is made from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. But did you know that there are some common mistakes that people make when using black seed oil? In this video, we will be discussing 7 black seed oil mistakes you might be making that can hinder its effectiveness. Stay tuned till the end to find out what they are and how you can avoid them. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. This helps our channel tremendously and allows us to continue sharing valuable content with you. Not using enough black seed oil. The first mistake that people make when using black seed oil is not using enough of it. To experience the full range of benefits that this oil has to offer, you need to use a sufficient amount. The recommended dosage of black seed oil varies depending on the condition being treated. However, in general, it is safe to consume up to 3 teaspoons of black seed oil per day. For external use, it is best to dilute the oil with a carrier oil such as olive oil or coconut oil before applying it to the skin. It's important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage until you reach the desired effect. Remember, more is not always better, and using too much black seed oil can lead to adverse effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So it's important to follow the recommended guidelines for consumption and application. Mistake number 2, applying it incorrectly. Another mistake that people make when using black seed oil is applying it incorrectly. This can reduce its effectiveness and prevent it from providing the desired results. For internal use, black seed oil can be consumed in various ways, such as in capsules, soft gels, or added to food or drinks. However, it is important to note that the oil has a strong flavor and odor, so adding it to food or drinks may not be the best option if you are sensitive to these. For external use, it is crucial to dilute the oil with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. This helps to prevent irritation and allows for better absorption of the oil. When applying the oil topically, it is also important to massage it into the skin to improve circulation and enhance its effectiveness. Additionally, if you are using black seed oil for hair growth, it is recommended to apply it directly to the scalp and massage it in for better penetration and absorption. Remember, proper application is essential to ensure that you get the most out of your black seed oil. Number 3. Mixing with incompatible oils. One of the common mistakes to avoid when using black seed oil is mixing it with incompatible oils. This can reduce its effectiveness and potentially cause skin irritation or other adverse reactions. For example, if you are using black seed oil for cooking, it is best to avoid mixing it with olive oil or any other oil with a low smoke point. Black seed oil has a high smoke point, so mixing it with oils that have a lower smoke point can result in a decrease in its quality and efficacy. Additionally, if you are using black seed oil topically, it is important to avoid mixing it with mineral oil or petroleum jelly, as this can prevent the oil from being absorbed into the skin. Instead, opt for a natural carrier oil such as jojoba oil or sweet almond oil to dilute black seed oil for topical applications. Remember, being mindful of the oils you mix with black seed oil can help preserve its quality and effectiveness. Number 4. Ignoring storage instructions. Proper storage of black seed oil is crucial to maintain its quality and effectiveness. One common mistake to avoid is storing it in a hot or humid environment. This can cause the oil to become rancid or develop mold, reducing its efficacy and potentially causing harm to your health. To prevent this, it is important to store black seed oil in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Ideally, it should be kept in an airtight container to prevent oxidation and preserve its freshness. Additionally, it is best to refrigerate the oil after opening to further prolong its shelf life. By following these simple storage guidelines, you can ensure that your black seed oil remains in good condition and provides the full range of benefits it has to offer. Mistake No. 5. Not consulting your doctor. One of the mistakes to avoid when using black seed oil is not consulting your doctor, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Black seed oil has numerous health benefits, but it is important to seek professional advice before incorporating it into your routine. Additionally, if you are using black seed oil topically, it is crucial to test a small amount on your skin before applying it to a larger area. This can help you determine if you have any allergies or sensitivities to the oil and prevent potential skin reactions. Remember, while black seed oil is generally safe for most people, it is always best to err on the side of caution and consult your doctor if you have any concerns or questions. Mistake number 6. Overusing it. While black seed oil has numerous health benefits, it is essential to avoid overusing it. Consuming excessive amounts of black seed oil can lead to adverse effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. The recommended dosage of black seed oil varies depending on the condition being treated, but it is generally safe to consume up to 3 teaspoons of black seed oil per day. Additionally, applying too much black seed oil to the skin can cause irritation or allergic reactions. It is important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage until you achieve the desired effect. Remember, moderation is key to ensuring that you reap the benefits of black seed oil without experiencing any negative consequences. Mistake number 7. Choosing low-quality oil. One of the mistakes to avoid when using black seed oil is choosing low-quality or adulterated oil. This can reduce its effectiveness and potentially compromise your health. It is important to purchase black seed oil from reputable sources to ensure that it is pure and authentic. Look for organic, cold-pressed, or raw black seed oil to ensure that it is of the highest quality. Additionally, be wary of products that claim to be 100% pure black seed oil, as this is not possible. Reputable brands will clearly list the ingredients and indicate that the product is made from 100% black seed. By choosing high-quality black seed oil, you can trust that you are getting a product that is free from contaminants and will provide the full range of benefits it has to offer. In conclusion, black seed oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy that can be used for a variety of purposes. However, it is important to be aware of the potential mistakes that can hinder its effectiveness and potentially cause harm to your health. From improper application to choosing low-quality oil, each mistake discussed in this video can impact the benefits of black seed oil. By avoiding these mistakes and following the guidelines provided, you can ensure that you are using black seed oil safely and effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions you may have. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.